I'm going to tell you those stories. In them, you'll find some things old and some things new. Let's go back to the start. अब कहते हैं कि किसी चीज को अगर दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात आपको उससे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है। गलत कहते हैं। कायनात आलसी है बेबी। The universe is a sloth, and the sloth is not so much deaf as uninterested in hearing. So I have to coax a sign out of the universe, and there's a method to this madness. I do the usual stuff, for instance, I hold my breath at the traffic signal, and if I can hold it till it turns red, we'll end up together. I count the number of sips it takes me to finish a glass of wine. Odd number होता है तो we'll end up together. हर बार जब 1 किलो आलू में 7 आलू आते हैं, हमारा साथ भी पक्का हो जाता है. So then I took to like and saw my life completely changed. Now I could like all chart beings equally, never to be estranged. And there wasn't a breakup really, because like isn't fussy about anniversaries, has no beginning, middle or end. Love is so passé, guys. Like is here to trend. Love is all finicky about forever and infinity. In like doesn't bind time like that. In like, time is free. अब इससे आगे कुछ नहीं, इसके बाद कुछ नहीं, इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं, अजी ये बात सच नहीं. और इश्क आग का दरिया है, डूब के जाना है, बस कीजिए मिस्टर, ये सब मैसोकिज्म का बहाना है. आग में डूब के मर के वापस कोई नहीं आता है. हॉक्राक्सेस इस दुनिया में सिर्फ वोल्डेमॉर्ट ही बनाता है. If I asked you why do you need or want sex, you can't put it to words, I know, and that ineffable reason, that's how I know I don't want sex for sure. And I'm not incomplete or in any way less. I am complete but confused. Isn't that such a beautiful mess? And I am broken, imperfect, but that needs mending of a different kind. Don't tell me who I am. Do not try to change my mind. Last but not the least, in LGBTQIA, an asexual and an ally each and every single way. So let's raise a toast to all the women who indulge in invisibility. My mum and all the other women who've come before me. I'm in the spotlight, but it's you that I see. And I stand here with you in solidarity, and I want to tell you that you're safe even when you're not hiding, and you're beautiful even when you're not smiling, because I can see the beauty in your rage, and the rage that you don't have to reduce to palatable anger. I can see the glorious mountain of your self-worth, and if you ever feel like you've run out, come borrow mine. I have to sign out. That's been my time. I'm superhero Sriti, and my superpower, invisibility.